So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to open an account on ThinkorSwim platform. So first of all, open any web browser and then search for ThinkorSwim and don't space between the words. After that, you have to click on the first link and then you just have to click on the logo. After that guys, you have to click on open new account. And now guys, as you can see, there are a bunch of options of types of accounts you can open on this platform. Let's say in the most common one you can choose individual, traditional IRA, Roth IRA and etc. And let's say you want to choose from joint minor section, then you can choose UTMA, UGMA, graduationship or conservatorship and etc. like this. In also the retirement section and also in education, savings, business trust, and the last one in the other section. So we'll guys with the individual most common one type of account, and now you have to click on open an individual account. After that guys, as you can see, it is asking us our information that we have to fill in, and then we can able to use our account on this platform. So after filling all the details, you guys can able to use this platform from your account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.